Australia's digital signage market is growing rapidly across retail, transportation, hospitality, education, healthcare, and commercial spaces. Today, businesses are looking beyond simple screens. They need complete digital signage solutions that combine reliable hardware, smart content management, remote control, and long-term scalability. Different environments require different solutions. Indoor displays are widely used for retail and corporate communication, while outdoor digital signage requires high brightness, weather protection, and strong durability. When selecting a supplier, buyers should consider not only price, but also configuration, compliance requirements, CMS compatibility, and after-sales support. Ikinor provides OEM and ODM digital signage solutions designed for global partners, offering customized displays, flexible production, and reliable support for commercial applications. The right digital signage solution helps businesses communicate smarter and operate more efficiently,